Surrounded by the stars inside the universe before it bursted into light. And after a long time, a world came alive and played that music I first heard. And so I stayed, so I could write down every word. There was a garden, never was such beauty seen in all the earth, and not again until the day when it returns. And there was a loud cry, alive were the voices as they sang the words. And ever since they've been singing, it goes underneath where eyes don't go. The sound that keeps the beat that holds alive the song. I listen close. Do I follow? Do I follow? Where it goes? And banners raised, and kings with the power changed that song that first began, and it was lost and buried deep and covered then. A chorus and angel lights proclaimed on that starry night that shook the world. A king arose and he was singing. It goes underneath where eyes don't go. A sound that keeps the beat that holds alive the song. You need to know. Will you follow? Will you follow? Underneath where eyes don't go. A sound that keeps the beat that holds alive the song. I listen close. Do I follow? Do I follow? Where it goes?
C'est plus à l'est, en haut c'est plus... Tu fais ce que tu veux, c'est plus confortable. Voilà, il est plus haut, il est plus... Là, on voit pas de là.
There's a train station inside of this train where the people go to try and escape. And with anxious eyes we stand in line till the cold ground shakes to tell us it's time for the trains. Yes, it's time for the trains to stop. Some were steel and some were gold, and each conductor raved. They shouted, buy your tickets and save your souls. But one conductor sang, he shouted, you come follow me, tickets and oh, pay your fees. 'Cause I know what you cost. Believe me, without this train you will be lost. So the rich men laughed and they walked away, but the poor ones felt that they should stay. So they told all of their friends, they told even strangers, till there were 10. Thousands of people said, come let us see the scandalous train that claims to be free. Just let him speak. Picture on the ground. The stone moved just like sand. He said, throw your tickets on the floor. I'll give you mine instead. And he shouted, Joe, come follow me. I'll buy your tickets and oh, pay your fees. 'Cause I know what you cost. Believe me, without this train you will be lost. Believe me, without this train you will be lost. The soldiers rushed in like a flood, wild-eyed, looking for blood. They said, show us the one who lies, deceives and claims his trains of grace are free. 'Cause we'll take his body to the track and nail him there so he never comes back. Yeah, we'll take his body to the track and nail him there so he never comes back.